Welcome to the Treasury Update Podcast, Coffee Break Sessions, presented by Strategic Treasurer. The show where we cover foundational topics and core Treasury issues in about the same amount of time it takes you to drink your cup of coffee. I'll be your host, Jonathan, Media Production Specialist here at Strategic Treasurer, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. We are back with another coffee break session. Today I have with me Christin Cifaldi. Welcome back to the show.
It's great to be back, John.
So today I wanted to talk about data science. Christin, what is data science?
Data science is the practice of extracting meaningful insights from large and complex data sets, combining techniques from statistics, computer science, and a person's specific knowledge to analyze data, identify patterns, and help solve problems. We would think of it as using data to tell a story or solve a puzzle within a business context.
Okay. And how does data science help businesses make decisions?
Data science helps businesses by providing actionable insights. You can analyze customer behavior to improve marketing strategies. You can optimize your supply chain logistics, even help predict sales trends or other seasonal deviations. By leveraging your data, businesses can make better informed decisions to reduce risk and increase efficiency.
Do you want to give an example of what this might look like?
I'll give an example of grocery stores. So whenever you scan into the grocery store, when you make your purchase, you may have noticed that at home, you're getting coupons that seem personalized to your shopping. This is different than in the past when you would maybe grab coupons from a newspaper or like the little ones that they'd rip off directly beneath the shelves. By using data science and building large data sets, grocery stores, large chains are now able to help tailor their coupons and sales specific to you based on your shopping behavior. This data they can also use to help predict what they'll need to buy and how much so that they can reach out to the appropriate vendors and they can identify seasonal patterns. Like right now, everybody's buying cans of pumpkin and turkeys and hams probably. But in the summer, they're going to be selling, red, white, and blue cookies and berries and whipped cream.
Okay, that makes sense. What are the main tools or technology used in data science?
So some key tools are programming languages like Python and R, data visualization tools such as Tableau or Qlik, and machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. Languages like SQL for database management and cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud are also widely used to store and disseminate data.
And you talked a little bit about coupons, but how does data science differ from traditional statistics?
So traditional statistics focuses on analyzing and interpreting numerical data to find trends. We're all familiar with our bell charts from our college courses on statistics or our high school courses on statistics, whereas data science extends beyond this. It incorporates computer programming, data engineering, and sometimes machine learning to handle unstructured data to help you make predictions and automate processes. So it's using statistics, but going to the next level and incorporating some other elements of business into that. Data science is considered a more interdisciplinary and technology-driven approach rather than statistics where we might just be using it to measure research, writing a report, and then leaving it there for others to interpret.
Cool. Anything else you want to add?
Data science is really where we're all moving in the future if we're not already using this to interpret our data that we're collecting, and it is applicable across all fields. We're going to do a deep dive into how it applies to finance and treasury, but this is definitely supply chain optimization here and tracking our customer data for larger marketing and consumer-facing corporations.
Cool. Well, thank you to our listeners. Remember to tune back every first and third Thursday of the month for another episode of the Coffee Break Sessions.
This podcast is provided for informational purposes only, and statements made by Strategic Treasurer LLC on this podcast are not intended as legal, business, consulting, or tax advice. For more information, visit and bookmark strategictreasurer.com.